Good morning, girls. Today I'm going to do lesson number 19, chapter number 5. Now, this is the last topic of chapter number 5, compound partnership. Last time we started partnership. Today we are going to do the compound partnership. Okay. Now, what it is actually, and then I'll give you the examples also. Compound partnership means when one person starts a business. So what happened after some time, another person joins them, okay, and then again after some time, third person also joins them. So there are more than one person um, who joins them in for the business, okay, but after some duration they join. So it depends on the time period, after how much time period they are joining. Then what happened, they invest money, capitals of different partners. Now capitals means the money which they are investing, it is known as capital. So money, instead of money, the words used is capital. Capital of different partners remains in the business for different time period. Uh, for different time period means some person invests the money for 6 months, or some businessmen will invest the money for 2 months or for whole year. So for different time period they invest the money, okay. So different partners invest the money for different time period, so it is all in this compound partnership. Then another point, last point, is the profit and loss is to be shared. Now profit and loss is to be shared according to the compound ratios. Compound ratios means if anyone has invested for 6 months, or that other businessman has invested for 4 months, or someone else invested for 1 year, so it is, ratio is compound. So the profit and loss is shared according to the compound ratio of the capital and time period. It is known as compound partnership, okay. So this is actually the definition, that more than one person invests the money after some time period. One person joins and then another person joins, and then whatever money they are investing for different time period, then the profit and loss will be shared according to their compound ratio for whatever time period they have invested the money, okay. So it is known as compound partnership. Now I'm going to do the example, first example. It is in your book, okay. Let's do the first example. Now this example is in your book. I have already written the question, so it's on page 116. Now read the question and then according to it we'll solve it. uh, A, B, and C started a joint business. So there are three businessmen started the business, joint business. A invested 9,000 rupees for 6 months. So time period is given 6 months. Capital is 9,000. A's capital, A's amount is 9,000 rupees. B invested 6,000 rupees for 4 months. Now again time period is different. And then C invested 7,500 rupees for 2 months. So this is again different. So three persons, A, B, and C, invested the amount for three different time periods, and the capital is also different. What you have to find the share of each one in a profit of 1,085 rupees. Now this profit is given, and you have to distribute this profit among A, B, and C. Now in what ratio you are going to distribute this amount? So this we are going to find. So first step is to write the profit. So we'll write the profit. Profit is rupees 1,085. So it is rupees, this amount is profit, 1,085. 1085. Okay, 1085 rupees is the profit. Now how much A will get, how much B will get, and how much C will get, we are going to find the share of each one. Okay, so first of all we'll check that this person A invested 9,000 rupees for 6 months, so we will change it in 1 month how much he has invested. So A's capital for 6 months. Now he invested the amount for 6 months, and how much amount he has invested, it is rupees 9,000. So A's capital for 1 month is, so for 1 month how we are going to find 900 multiplied by 6, so it is rupees 54,000. Okay, now same way we will find the second person's amount, how much he has invested. So B's share, B's capital will find B's capital. Now this time period is different. B's capital for, now B invested 6,000 rupees for 4 months. So B's capital for 4 months. Okay, so B's capital for 4 months is rupees 6,000. 6,000. Sorry, this A's amount is 9,000. One more zero you will add, and this will become 54,000. Okay. Now B's capital for 4 months is 6,000. So for 1 month, B's capital for 1 month is 4 into 6,000. Okay, 6,000 multiplied by 4, so the amount is 24,000. So B's capital, B's amount, he invested 24,000 rupees. A invested 54,000 rupees. Now the third person, again time period is different for third one. C invested 7,500 rupees for 2 months. Okay, so C's capital for 2 months, C's capital for 2 months is rupees 7,500. Rupees 7,500. Okay, here also write rupees. Now again we'll find it for 1 month. Okay, because all have invested for different time periods, so we will find it for 1 month. So C's capital for 1 month is 2 into this amount, 7,500 into 2, so the amount will come rupees 15,000. You can do calculation with calculator, simple calculator. Okay, now we got the amount of all three for 1 month. A's amount for A's capital for 1 month is 54,000. B's capital for 1 month is 24,000, and C's capital for 1 month is 15,000. Otherwise that it was a totally different time period given, 6, 4 and 2. So these months you will make it same, for 1 month you will find it. Okay, now after finding for 1 month we will find the ratio between them. Okay, so one by one we'll write. A's capital is to B's capital, then ratio C's capital, okay, like we done in the ratio questions. So A's amount is 54,000. 54,000. Then B's capital is 24,000. So ratio 24,000. And C's ratio 15,000. Now you can simplify it. These three zeros, then these three zeros and three zeros cancelled. Now you can further divide. All three goes in the same table, in the table of 3. We will divide this by 3. 3 into 18 is 54. 3 into 8 is 24. Is 2. 3 into 5 is 15. Now you cannot further divide it, so we will find the sum of ratios. Okay, next step is to write sum of ratios. Sum of ratios. So it is equals to 18 plus 8 plus 5 equals to 31. So this is the sum of ratios. Now what we are going to do, we will find each one's share in the profit. Okay, we got the ratios now, ratio of each one and the sum also we have. Now we will divide the profit between all three of them one by one. Okay, everyone's share we are going to find one by one. Let's find A's share. A's share. A's share in profit. Okay, A's share in profit. So A's share is, A is 18. 18 divided by 31 into profit. 18 divided by 31 into profit is 1085. You can use calculator. 18 divided by 31 multiplied by 1085. So answer will come rupees 630. First answer. So share of A is rupees 630 from the profit. Share is 630. Now you can find B's share same way. B's share in profit. Same method it is. B's is 8. Okay, B's capital ratio is 8. 8 divided by 31 into profit. 8 divided by 31 into profit. 1085. Okay, again use calculator. 8 divided by 31 and multiplied by 1085. So answer will come rupees 280. This is the second answer. Now the third one, C's share you can find. Same way, C's share in profit. Okay, C's share in profit. So C's share, C is 5. 5 divided by 31 into profit. 5 divided by 31 into profit, 1085. So calculate with calculator. 5 divided by 31 multiplied by 1085. So answer will come rupees 175. So this is the share of all three in the profit. So it's not difficult, simple it is. Just go step by step, then you will get the answer. I'll do the questions also from the exercises, okay? Then you can understand it easily. Write the profit, find each one's amount, invested amount or capital you can find. A is capital for 6 months, so you will find it for 1 month. 6 into 9,000. Same way B's capital is for 4 months, So you will find it for 1 month. So 4 into 6,000. C's capital is for 2 months and you will find it for 1 month. So 2 multiplied by 7,500. You'll get the answer. Then you will write it in ratio form, simplify it, find the sum of ratios, and then in the end you will find the share in profit. So how you're going to do? 18 divided by 31 into profit, then 8 divided by 31 into profit, then 5 divided by 31 into profit. So you will get the each one's share in the profit. Okay, so all these are the answer, these three answers. Okay. Okay, now the question is from the exercise 5.9. Okay, question I have already written. Let's solve this question. Now, in this question, Rahman started a business with 2400 rupees in the beginning for a year. So, amount of Rahman is 2400. Okay, this is the capital. This amount in the beginning of the year, beginning of the year means 12 months. In the beginning he has invested, so it means for a whole year, for 12 months he has invested rupees 2400. Then Kareem became a partner. Kareem became a partner and he invested 7200 rupees in the middle of the year. Middle of the year means 6 months. Okay, after 6 months he has invested, so remaining 6 months. Middle of the year is 6 months. Okay, so this person Kareem has invested in the 6 month. Okay, for 6 months they gained a profit of 160 rupees. Now this is the profit, 160 rupees at the end of the year. Find each one's share in the profit. So we are going to find the share. There are two persons only, Rahman and Kareem. They have invested the amount. Rahman has invested for a year, for 12 months, and Kareem has invested in the middle of the year, so for 6 months. Now we'll find for the 1 month and then find the ratio, sum of the ratio, and then in the end share in the profit. Okay, so the amount of the profit I'm going to write, it is rupees 160. Okay, so profit amount, profit is rupees 160. Okay, now first I'll write the Rahman's share. Rahman's capital, Rahman's capital for 12 months. Whole year means 12 months. So Rahman's amount is rupees 2400. Okay, 2400. Now for 1 month we are going to find. So Rahman's capital for 1 month. Okay, Rahman's capital for 1 month is 12 into 2400. Okay, 2400 into 12. So answer will come rupees 28800. Okay, 28800 is the amount. Now you can find Kareem's capital. Okay, Kareem's capital for 6 months. Okay, middle of the year means 6 months. So it is rupees 7200. Now we'll find it for 1 month. Kareem's capital for 1 month. So 6 multiplied by 7200. 7200 into 6. So this amount is rupees 43,200. Okay. Now we have the amount. We'll find the ratio between these two. Okay. So Rahman's capital is to Kareem's capital. Okay. Kareem's capital. Capital is the amount. Okay. So ratio between them, this is 28800 is to 43200. Okay. Now 00 we will cancel it. Let's divide this. Let's check in which table it goes. You can take a small table also, you can start with 2 also, it's up to you which number you are taking for division. Okay. Let's divide this by 4 first. Okay. 4 into 7 is 28 and 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Then is 2. 4 into 1 is 4. 0. 4 into 8 is 32. Okay. Again you can divide. This we have divided by 4. Now again you can divide by it will go in the table of 4. 4 into 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32 is 2. 4 into 2 is 8, 9, 10. 4 into 7. Now in which table both goes? I think 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. Now you cannot further divide it, so find the sum of ratios. Okay. Sum of ratios equals to 2 plus 3, 5. Now you can find Rahman's share and then Kareem's share. Rahman's share in profit. So Rahman's share in profit is 2 divided by 5 into profit. 2 divided by 5 into profit, 160 rupees. So with calculator you can find 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 160. So it is rupees 64. So share of Rahman is 64 rupees. Now you can find share of Kareem. Kareem's share in profit, and it is Kareem is 3 by 5 into profit. 3 divided by 5 into profit is 160. So with calculator you can divide 3 divided by 5 multiplied by 160. So answer will come rupees 96. So this is the Kareem's share. So these are the two answers. Okay. Clear it is? I think you have understood. I hope you have understood it. Let's do second question of the exercise. Okay, question number 2 from same exercise. I have already written the question. Now let's read the question and same way we are going to solve. Okay. A, B and C started a joint business. Now there are 3 persons, A, B and C. A invested 500 rupees for 9 months. Again duration is given, time period is given. B invested 700 rupees for 1 year, it means for 12 months. C invested 1200 rupees for 5 months. This again, all the time periods are different. They met a loss. Now they met a loss of rupees 945 rupees at the end of the year. Find each one's share in loss. Now share in loss we are going to find. Same way we'll do. First we'll write this 500 rupees for 9 months, then we'll find it for 1 month. Same for B, find it for 1 month, and for C, find it for 1 month. Then find the ratio of it. Then you can add the ratios, and in the end we'll find each one's share in loss. Okay. Loss, we will write the amount, uh, loss amount. Loss is rupees 945. Okay, let's start with A's capital. A's capital for 9 months. A's capital for 9 months is rupees 500. Okay, A's amount is 500. Now we'll find it for 1 month. A's capital for 1 month is 9 into 500. So 500 into 9. So it is rupees 4500. Same way B's capital you'll solve and then find it for 1 month. So B's capital, B's capital. Now B's capital is for 1 year means 12 months. So it is, this amount is 700. Now we will find B's capital for 1 month. Okay, for 1 month. So we'll multiply 12 into 700. 700 into 12. So amount will come rupees 8400. Then next is C's capital. C's capital. C's capital. C's capital is for 5 months and amount is rupees 1200. Now same way you'll find it for 1 month. Okay, C's capital for 1 month. So we'll multiply 5 and 1200. 1200 into 5 is rupees 6000. Okay, so each one's capital for 1 month you have to find. Now you have to write it in ratio form. Let's write it in ratio form. A's capital ratio. Now find B's, write B's capital. B's capital and C's capital. So we'll write all three ratios: 4500, 8400 and 6000. 4500 is to 8400 is to 6000. Now two zeros you can cancel from each. Now you can divide. All these will go in same table 3. Okay, divide them by 3. 3 into 15 is 45 is to 3 into 28 is and then 3 into 20 is. Now you can not further divide them, it's not possible, so you can find the sum of ratios. Okay, let's find sum of ratios. Sum of ratios. Sum of ratios equals to, add all three of them, 15 plus 28 plus 20. So the amount is 63. 63. Oh, sum of ratios is 63, not the amount. Sum of ratios is 63. Now we will find each one's share in the loss, okay, one by one. Same way, same method. 15 divided by 63 into loss, 28 divided by 63 into loss, and 20 divided by 63 into loss. One by one we'll find A's share in loss. Okay, A's share in loss. So A is 15 divided by 63 into loss is 945. You can calculate it with calculator. 15 divided by 63 multiplied by 945. So answer will come rupees 225. This is A's loss. Same way you can find B's loss. Okay, B's share in loss. So B is 28 divided by 63. 28 divided by 63 into 945. With calculator you'll solve 28 divided by 63, then multiplied by 945. So answer is rupees 420. Last one, C's share. C's share in loss. C's share in loss. Method is same. C is 20. 20 by 63 into loss. 20 divided by 63 into loss is 945. With calculator you'll solve, you'll get answer rupees 300. Okay, this is third answer. 20 divided by 63 multiplied by 945, we will get rupees 300. So loss is rupees 300. So this is the answer. There's one more question. I'll explain that question to you. Okay, third one, last one. Okay, now third question of the same exercise. Question I have already written. Let's read it. 3 partners invested 2000 rupees, 3500 rupees and 4750 rupees. This is the amount of 3 partners, first amount, second amount and third amount, respectively, in a joint business. Their capitals remain in the business for 6 months, 3 months and 2 months. Now the duration is different for all 3 of them. For different duration they have kept the amount, they have invested the amount. Now what would be the share of each in a profit of 4000 rupees? Now the profit amount is rupees 4000, which has to be distributed. Now how to distribute this amount? Same method like we did other 2 questions. First we will write this amount for 2000 is for 6 months, and then find for first 1 month. 3500 amount is for 3 months, and then find it for 1 month, and 4750 amount is for 2 months, then find it for 1 month. Okay, write the profit first. Okay, first thing is to write the profit, rupees 4000. Okay, after writing the profit, we'll write the first partner's capital for 6 months is rupees 2000. Okay, it is given in the question that first partner's capital for 6 months, you can see it is rupees 2000. Then second partner's amount for 3 months is 3500. So second partner's amount for 3 months is 3500. Okay, you'll find it for 1 month. How you are going to find it? 6 into 2000, you will get answer for 1 month. Same way, second partner's amount is 3500 for 3 months. So for 1 month, what you'll do? 3 into 3500. Okay. 3500 into 3 is this amount, 10,500. Now third person's amount is 4750 and it is for 2 months. So third partner's amount for 2 months is 4750. Now for 1 month, how we will find it? 2 into 4750. So for 1 month, this 4750 into 2, you'll get it for 1 month. Okay. So now each partner's share for invested for 1 month, you have solved it. Now find the ratio between all three of them. Okay, ratio between first capital, second capital, third capital. Write the amount: 12,000, 10,500 and 9,500. Cancel two zeros. Then you can simplify it, divide all three of them by 5. You'll get 24 here, 21 and 19. After dividing, see, you cannot further divide this. So what you are going to do, you will find the sum of ratios. Add all three of them. So answer is 64. Now you are going to find each one's share in profit. How you'll find? 24 divided by 64 into profit. 21 divided by 64 into profit, and 19 divided by 64 into profit. So all three persons share you'll get. First partner's share, you can see 24 divided by 64 into profit. So answer will come 1500. Then second partner's share is, second is this 21 divided by 64 multiplied by profit 4000. So answer is 1312.50. Last one, third partner's share, third is 19, third capital, this 19 divided by 64 into profit 4000. So this answer will come. Now this you can see, I think now. Okay, so third partner's share, this is 19 divided by 64 into profit, 19 divided by 64 into profit, so 1187.50. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Each one's amount, you have to multiply it by the time period, whatever time period is given. The money which they had invested for the time period multiplied, you'll get the 1 month's amount. After finding 1 month's amount for each person, you will find the ratio. After finding ratio, find the sum, and then in the end share in profit. So this ratio, 24 divided by 64 into profit, then 21 divided by 64 into profit, and 19 divided by 64 into profit, you'll get each one's share in profit. Okay. I hope you have understood all of them, all these lessons. Okay, all these examples. Copy it in your exercise book, and only these 3 questions you have to do from this exercise. These 3 are based on this topic, compound partnership. Okay, so our topic is complete. Chapter is also complete. This chapter number 5 is finished now. We have completed chapter number 5. Next time we'll start the new chapter. We'll do the new chapter. Complete all of your work, and if you don't understand anything, please ask. You can just send me a message. Okay, any question you can ask me anytime. Okay, take care, girls. Bye.